Hello aspirants, welcome to CSAT FIT PYQs. See, this is question asked in CSAT paper 2021. Replace the incorrect term by correct term, right? So in the given sequence, so sequence is given where odd terms and even terms follow the same pattern. See, odd terms in the series are, see, 3 is odd number, right? And 7 is odd number, 13 is odd number, 21 is odd number, 31 is odd number, 43 is odd number. So odd numbers follow same pattern. So if we see, the pattern is, see, 3 plus 4 is 7 and 7 plus 6 is 13, 13 plus 8 is 21, 21 plus 10 is 31 and 31 plus 12 is 43, right? So if we see, the difference is 2, see, 6 plus 2, 8 plus 2 and 10 plus 2 is 12, right? So 2 का difference है. And next is even terms follow the same pattern. So जो even numbers है, they are following the same pattern. So this is, see, 2 plus 2 is 4, 4 plus 6 is 10, 10 plus 8 is 18, 18 plus 10 is 28, 28 plus 12 is 40. 28 plus 12 is 40, right? See, now if we see 2 plus 4, 6 plus 2, 8 plus 2 and 10 plus 2, right? So this is plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 so on happening, right? अब देखो इधर anomaly है, so that is plus 4 is happening. So incorrect term would be, see, अगर हमें इधर भी plus 2 चाहिए, right? So इधर भी plus 2 चाहिए difference. So अगर plus 2 difference आना है तो भाई 6 को change नहीं कर सकता. अगर 6 को change करके मान ले 4 कर दिया, ठीक है, then here it would be plus 4. So अब 6 को change नहीं कर सकता. So 6 plus 6 नहीं आना चाहिए. So इधर हमें plus 4 आना चाहिए. So plus 4 आना चाहिए. अगर plus 4 आना है तो इधर क्या आएगा भाई? See here it would be, see, अगर 4 change किया तो ये plus 6 वाला change हो जाएगा. So this would be the change. So that means when it is 0, ठीक है, 0 plus 4 is 4 आएगा, right? And 6 so on sequence, and then it would be plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 because 2 difference इधर भी है. So इधर भी सब में 2 difference है. So इधर 2 difference आने के लिए, right? So we need to incorrect number, correct term with correct term. So correct term is 0. So incorrect term था वो 2 था. That this number is the incorrect term and that correct term is 0 instead of 2. So option A is the answer, right? Very good question, right? It is based on number series topic and alternative series, right? इधर odd terms even terms में भाई positions की हिसाब से भी हो सकता है, right? See, first position odd term है, third position odd term है, fifth position odd term, etc. But odd terms even terms is odd numbers even numbers, right? So option A is the answer.